This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This unique, one-of-a-kind home located in Benn's Grant with a spacious, Pisa Torre floor plan features desirable ranch-style living and space for all. All on the first floor is the large primary suite with a walk-in closet. You will also find 2 other bedrooms and a full bathroom on the first floor. The great room opens to the dining area and flows to the gourmet kitchen. The morning room creates more space for entertaining and daily living. Upstairs, you will find another full bathroom and a 4th bedroom. Altogether, this home has 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, plus a loft. The fenced-in backyard creates a privacy buffer. This home is near the resort-style amenities, creating fun and relaxing times.